One way to get an income for life without working is with annuities, which has two main types. Let's compare them: immediate versus deferred annuity. First off, what is an annuity? An annuity is a contract between you and the insurance company. You give them money today and they will give you monthly payments in the future. An annuity is basically like your private social security system. Unlike the social security system, you usually know how much you're getting ahead of time from an annuity. Do you know how much you're getting from your social security payments? Because I don't. Have you ever thought about what you're going to do if the market crashes right before or during your retirement? You probably don't want to sell your investments when they're cheap, but you might not have enough cash on hand to ride out the waves. Luckily, with annuities, you don't have to worry about what the market does. You could be sipping on a cup of hot cocoa while the rest of the world gets flipped upside down. One thing you want to keep in mind is you want to find a highly rated company. A promise is only as good as the person that made the promise. The top companies usually have over a century of history, making it through recessions, depressions, and world wars. In the slim chance that these companies fail, there are usually state-guaranteed associations that step in to protect you. There are two main types of annuities: immediate and deferred. The main difference between the two is when you get your income payments. In an immediate annuity, the insurance company will start paying you within 1 year. On the other hand, in a deferred annuity, the insurance company will start paying you after more than 1 year. These two annuities also differ in how you pay for them. An immediate annuity takes one lump sum payment or full payment now. You don't split it up. However, a deferred annuity can take a lump sum right now or multiple payments over time. The insurance company invests your money and gives you income when you want it. Which one should you pick? It all depends on you. If you're retiring soon or already retired, you should go with an immediate annuity. This type is good if you want to cash out a portion or all of your investment portfolio for income payments ASAP. However, if you're not retiring for a while, you have two choices. You can either 1. Invest in a deferred annuity right now, or 2. Go off and invest on your own, and then buy an immediate annuity when you're about to retire. You can do whichever one makes more sense for you. If you're liking this video so far and finding it valuable, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below for more videos like this. How much income a deferred annuity gives you will depend on what kind you use. There are three main types. 1. Fixed annuity. This gives a constant rate of return on your money, regardless of what the market does, similar to a certificate of deposit. 2. Variable annuity. This invests your money in sub-accounts. Think mutual funds. How these funds perform will determine your future income. 3. Index annuity. How the market index does will determine your rate of return. If it goes up, you get to keep part of the gains, but if it goes down, you won't lose what you put in. If you're looking for a safe and steady option, your best bet might be a fixed annuity. It won't grow as much as the other options, but it gives you a specific guaranteed amount every year. If you're looking for something that can grow your money while still protecting whatever you put in, your best bet might be an index annuity. However, growth is not guaranteed. What about variable annuities? Let me put it this way. If you want to sponsor a new yacht for your mutual fund or insurance brokers, this is the perfect choice. In other words, I definitely would not recommend these because they charge a Mac truckload of fees, especially if they are actively managed funds. After the fund and annuity fees, there is almost zero shot that you will profit. So I would recommend avoiding them at all costs. Although annuities are unmatched in providing a lifetime income, there are other and maybe better options for building your wealth, one of which is using tax advantage accounts like 401k and IRA. If you want to learn more about these accounts, this next video will compare a 401k versus an IRA and show you how to use them to turbocharge your wealth building journey.